Is your Tesla Model 3 charging port stuck? Don't worry, it's a common issue, especially in older models. This video will guide you through the most effective troubleshooting steps, leveraging the latest software updates and Tesla's improved diagnostics to get you back on the road. We'll cover everything from app controls to manual overrides, so stick around. The Tesla Model 3's charging port is designed with an automatic locking mechanism that activates after unplugging the cable. This feature prevents unauthorized access and protects the port from weather elements like moisture or debris. The locking system is controlled by the car's central computer, known as the Body Control Module, or BCM. This module manages various vehicle functions and oversees the charging port's operation. The port incorporates sensors that detect when a charging cable is inserted or removed. These sensors send signals to the BCM, which then decides whether to lock or unlock the port. This sensor data helps the BCM manage the port's state, ensuring it locks securely after disconnection. Understanding this mechanism helps explain why the port might lock unexpectedly. Common causes include software glitches during updates, mechanical obstructions like dirt or ice, or power issues that affect the BCM's operation. Early Tesla Model 3 vehicles from 2017 to 2021 were more susceptible to mechanical issues with the locking mechanism. However, newer models feature reinforced hinges and improved sensors, making them more reliable over time. The easiest way to unlock the charge port is through the Tesla mobile app, available on iOS and Android devices. First, ensure your car is awake by using your key fob or opening the app. Then, open the Tesla app and navigate to Controls, select Charging, and tap Unlock Charge Port. If the unlock doesn't work the first time, try restarting the app. For more persistent issues, restart the car by holding down both steering wheel buttons for a few seconds. Tesla's 2024 software updates introduced smart diagnostics that can automatically detect and unlock the charge port in most cases, making the process even smoother. If the app fails to unlock the charge port, try a manual override by pressing the charge port button located on the charging cable itself. This button is usually on the connector end of the cable and can directly trigger the port to open. Alternatively, use your key fob to wake the car first. Press any button on the key fob to activate the vehicle. Then approach the charge port and try pressing the charge port button on the cable again. This ensures the car is responsive. As a last resort, if other methods have failed, you can gently try to pry the door open. Place your finger between the door edge and the car body, then carefully lift without applying excessive force to avoid damage. This should only be attempted after confirming other methods won't work. Several things can cause a locked charge port. Software glitches during updates, mechanical jams from ice or debris, or even a low car battery can be culprits. For ice, try gently warming the port. For debris, use a soft brush to clean around the edges. Make sure your Tesla software is up to date to benefit from the latest fixes and improvements. Remember to avoid forcing the door open. If neither the app nor manual methods work, it's time to contact Tesla service. Technicians have diagnostic tools to reset the BCM. This is especially important if you suspect a hardware issue or if the problem persists. Tesla now offers faster turnaround times for remote fixes with 48-hour service available. Physical repairs may be covered under warranty, especially for models up to 8 years old. According to Tesla's data, 92% of issues are resolved via app alone, while 8% require in-person service. Tesla is shifting toward app-centric controls and reducing mechanical reliance in charging systems. This evolution aims to make charging more reliable and user-friendly. App-based controls allow remote unlocking and troubleshooting, minimizing physical interventions and addressing issues before they escalate. Tesla is testing wireless charging ports for future models, potentially eliminating mechanical doors entirely. Early prototypes show 70% fewer locking issues, with rollout expected by 2028. AI diagnostics predict port problems 72 hours in advance through app notifications, integrating with full self-driving software for proactive maintenance. This is part of Tesla's autonomous charging initiative, where vehicles can autonomously dock at superchargers for hands-free operation. Looking ahead to 2030, Tesla aims for 90% of charging issues to be software resolvable, using sustainable materials and advanced security to ensure seamless experiences. Prevention starts with regular maintenance. Clean your charge port with a soft brush to remove any dirt or debris that could cause mechanical issues. Never force the charge port door open, as this can damage the latch mechanism and void your warranty. Always use the app or manual methods first. Keep your Tesla software updated through over-the-air updates. These updates often include fixes for charge port issues and improve diagnostics. If you live in cold climates, use the preconditioning feature in your Tesla app to warm the battery and charge port before plugging in. This prevents freezing and lockouts. By following these maintenance tips, you can significantly reduce the risk of charge port lockouts and ensure reliable charging for your Tesla Model 3.